selling your home, what not to upgrade and improve. Selling your home can be a stressful and overwhelming process, but upgrading and improving your home before listing it on the market can help attract potential buyers and increase your chances of a successful sale. However, not all upgrades and improvements are worth the investment when it comes to selling your home. In fact, some upgrades may even hurt your chances of a successful sale or not yield a high return on investment. That's why in today's episode, we'll discuss what not to upgrade and improve when selling your home to save you time, money, and headaches. Whether you are a homeowner or a home flipper, this guide will help you avoid costly home selling mistakes and help you make informed decisions to get your home market ready. So let's dive into the world of selling your home and discover what not to upgrade and improve. Welcome, homeowners, home sellers, home flippers, and DIY enthusiasts alike, to this important information that will save you from the dreaded money pit. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about that insatiable black hole of cash that can suck you into a never-ending cycle of upgrades and renovations when you're trying to sell your home. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you should sell your home in a state of disrepair, but it's essential to know what not to fix or upgrade to prevent a hole in your wallet. So before you go down that rabbit hole, let's get into some practical advice. Are you tired of watching HGTV shows and thinking, why does my house not look like that? Are you considering a renovation because your neighbor's home just sold for more than yours? Well, hold on to your hammers and nail guns, folks, because we've got some valuable tips for you. Want to avoid turning your home into a construction zone? Want to skip the headache of living in a renovation mess? Are you ready to find out which home improvements are just not worth the investment? Stay tuned to learn what not to upgrade in your home before you sell. Before we dive into the list of upgrades and improvements that may not be worth the investment when selling your home, it's important to remember that every home and every situation is unique. As a homeowner looking to sell your property, it's essential to understand that not every improvement or upgrade will increase your home's value. In fact, some upgrades may end up costing you more than the increase in the sale price. Knowing what to do and what not to improve or upgrade can save you both time and money. So before you start making any major repairs, it's important to know what is in demand by local buyers and what types of improvements may be nice to have but really don't cause those buyers to pay for the full value of those improvements. Now, to make your home competitive in the current real estate market, some upgrades may be necessary, but not all yield that high return on investment. That's why it's crucial to balance the cost and the value. While it's tempting to invest in all the latest trends and luxury features, it's essential to remember that not all these upgrades and improvements will have a positive impact on your home's overall value. By focusing on practical and cost-effective upgrades that add value, you can ensure that your home is market ready without overspending. Ultimately, it's about striking that balance between practicality and aesthetics. And by making cost-effective upgrades that will improve your home's overall value, you can increase the chances of a successful sale. With that in mind, let's look at 8 upgrades and improvements that may not be worth the investment when selling your home. High-end light fixtures. While light fixtures can certainly add personality and charm to a home, high-end fixtures can be expensive and not necessarily worth the investment when it comes to selling. Buyers may not have the same taste as you and may want to switch out the fixtures anyway. Instead, opt for simple and stylish fixtures that complement your overall home's aesthetic feel. Major kitchen renovations. A full kitchen renovation can be incredibly costly, and you may not get a significant return on your investment when selling. While buyers do look for updated kitchens, minor upgrades such as new countertops or a fresh coat of paint on cabinets can make a significant impact without breaking the bank. Luxury bathrooms. Like the kitchen, luxury bathrooms can be expensive to upgrade, and you may not see a high return on investment. Instead, focus on small updates such as a new faucet, hardware, or a fresh coat of paint. Elaborate landscaping. While landscaping can certainly boost your home's curb appeal, elaborate and expensive landscaping may not yield a high return on investment. Focus on simple, clean landscaping that is easy to maintain and complements your home's exterior. Room addition. Adding a new room to your home can be a costly endeavor and may not necessarily increase your home's overall value significantly. Unless you have a specific need for an additional room, it's best to avoid this upgrade and focus on other more practical improvements. Home office upgrades. With more people working from home, home offices have become more important than ever. However, investing in expensive upgrades such as built-in shelving or high-end furniture may not yield a high return on investment when selling. Instead, focus on creating a functional and comfortable workspace that buyers can envision themselves using. Expensive window treatments. While window treatments can add style and privacy to your home, expensive or custom treatments may not be worth the investment when selling. Opt for simple and stylish window treatments that complement your home's overall aesthetics and that are neutral in design and color. Trendy paint colors. While bold and trendy paint colors can certainly add personality to your home, they may not be everyone's cup of tea. Choose neutral paint colors that are versatile and can appeal to a wide range of buyers. This will allow buyers to envision themselves living in the space without being distracted by bold or dated color choices. In the end, upgrading and improving your home can be a valuable investment when preparing to sell, but it's essential to be strategic and practical in your approach. By avoiding expensive and unnecessary upgrades and focusing on cost-effective improvements that add perceived value by potential buyers, you can ensure that your home is market ready without breaking the bank. Remember, understanding what buyers in your price range and market are looking for can help you make wise choices when thinking about improving your home's value. That's why it's crucial to partner and consult with a knowledgeable and experienced real estate team like the Evelyn Lopes Realty team. We can provide you with a free consultation on what to do and, more importantly, what not to do when preparing to sell your home in today's competitive marketplace. Don't let your home become a money pit. Let the Evelyn Lopes Realty team help you make the most of your investment. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation and get started on the path to a successful home sale.